buddies, I'm back. So another quick video, alright? I've been asked about this so many times. You guys even send me emails asking about this. I understand it is a genuine question. That is, can we install an aftermarket ABS system on a motorcycle like this or any motorcycle which does not have ABS? Okay, because I understand most of us absolutely love ABS. We love the idea of not locking our wheels in wet conditions, and basically we need safety. We like safety. I understand that. Okay, I'll talk about my thoughts on ABS later on, but now, can we install a system where we buy it from outside and we put it onto a motorcycle like this? Number one, I heard about these kind of systems. I even saw one being on sale, but none of them are from any reputed brands yet. Okay, so even if an aftermarket ABS system is available to put on your motorcycle, we can't really be sure of how well it works, because even stock ABS systems which come from really reputed motorcycle brands, even stock ABS systems sometimes don't work very well, you know. I mean, they don't work up to our satisfaction levels, because very often we complain that the ABS is kind of interfering too much. I mean, we start applying the brakes and we already feel that the ABS is kind of cutting in. Okay, so that can happen, or sometimes it doesn't cut in at all, you know. So even with a reputed manufacturer of motorcycles, stock ABS sometimes has issues. And here, if you just buy it from some experimental brand, I mean, experimentation is good. We need R&D, we need new products, but not with something like ABS. Okay, so if we put it onto a motorcycle like this, which does not have ABS, then we are not sure how reliable it can be. That is point number one. Point number two, it is not going to be easy to install an ABS system. There is a lot that goes into making an ABS system work. I'll make a detailed video about that later on, but a simple idea. Okay, the moment you start applying the front brake, okay, or the rear brake, the ABS system has to calculate the speed of the wheel and then calculate at what rate it is slowing down. Is the wheel locking before the motorcycle slowing down? I mean, there are a lot of calculations that the ABS system has to do. They are basic ABS systems also. They are very high-tech ABS systems also. But even a basic ABS system has to cut in, that is, take off the pressure of the brake that we apply only just before the wheel locks, not before that. Okay, so a basic aftermarket ABS system will not be able to do all this well. All right, so these are the reasons I generally would never recommend an aftermarket ABS system. And third point, even if someone develops a really good ABS system, it is not going to be cheap. Probably it will cost you 20,000, 30,000 or more than that. So again, spending so much money is not really required. So that is what I say, buddies. For now, current situation, an aftermarket ABS system is not what you should be going for. So just forget about that thought and rather put in your effort into learning how to brake without ABS. And trust me, it is not as difficult as you think. I'll make a detailed video about it later on. But for now, let me know what are your thoughts about it, about this topic, about installing aftermarket ABS on a non-ABS motorcycle. Put them down in the comments and we shall discuss about it. Thank you. And if you're not subscribed to me, you're missing out on a lot of videos. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and I'm there on Instagram also. Bye-bye.